Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Navy Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Mountain. Today I am going to take an English class for class 6 students. So I will take today English past paper class. So our topic today, lesson 25, discussions. So let's see. Term annual, class 6, subject English. Sorry, this will be English fast paper. Correction, English fast paper. Topic, lesson 25, discussion. Lecture 10, SWB 8, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So let's see our today's class, my dear students. Lesson 25B, we live in a global village. Annual term, lecture 10. Read the following text and answer the questions that follows. Dear Suhan, I got your letter 2 days ago. I was very busy here, so I am late to reply. Congo is a Central African country. There is a violence among political groups, so our life here is very challenging. We maintain peace and security. We distribute food, water, medicine to people. We sometimes build houses for them. We also teach children in small schools. Last week I met an interesting young man here. His name is Gurmeet Singh. He was born in India. In his early childhood, he left for Singapore with his parents and went to a Singaporean school. After a few years, he moved to Denmark and completed his school education there. For graduation, he went to the US and got a university degree. Then he left for the UK and completed his master's degree there. Gurmeet came to Congo to work for a voluntary organization. His main job is to look after children's education in a community school. He belongs to a group of 10 workers. They all came from different countries. He is a nice fellow and good friend of ours. We call him Mr. Global Citizen. I'm writing below the conversation I had with him the other day. You have been to so many countries. How do you feel about that? It's nice to work with different people. I've come to know them, their languages, culture, family, mind. I sometimes think I belong to all. Well, Gurmeet, you are a true global citizen. Aren't you too? Jill smiled. Gurmeet Singh. We all are the same human race. Well, that's all for today. Hope your exam is over by now. So write to me soon about what you think of Gurmeet. With love, Uncle Jill. So choose the correct answer to each questions from the alternatives. First one is but I was very busy here. Here the word busy is similar to available, free, occupied, idle. So busy means occupied. Number 2, there is a violence among political groups. Here violence means peace, brutality, calm, quiet. So violence means here brutality. Number 3, we distribute food, water, medicine to people. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word distribute? Say allot, divide, dispense, synonym of distribute. Take is the opposite of distribute. Let's go to next. Number 4, we maintain peace and security. The word maintain means deny, neglect, refuse, uphold. So maintain means uphold. After a few years, he moved to Denmark and completed his school education there. What does completed means? Finished, started, resumed, begun. So completed means finished. Last week I met an interesting young man here. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to interesting? Fascinating, exciting, attractive, dull. So interesting, the opposite is dull. So I am glad to reply. Here the word reply is similar to answer, question, correspond, inquire. So reply is similar to answer. We maintain peace and security. Here security means risk, danger, safety, threat. Security means safety. Number 9, there is violence among political groups. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word group? Team, assembly, association, individual. So group, opposite is individual. Gurmeet came to Congo to work for a voluntary organization. The word voluntary means compulsory, necessary, optional, obligatory. So voluntary means optional. Answer the following questions. What type of man is Gurmeet Singh? Gurmeet Singh is an interesting young man. Where was he born? He was born in India. When did he leave for Singapore? as the question starts with did, so tense will be past indefinite tense. So he left for Singapore in his early childhood. What did he do with Singapore? He studied in school. Where did he move after a few years? After a few years he moved to Denmark. So your SW will be SW8, submit on Saturday. Lesson 25, exercise B1 and B2. Lesson 25, exercise B1 and B2. So that's all for today, my dear students. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Abide with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Please, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.